Today we're going to make flourless blueberry muffins. You get yourself the muffin pan and these muffin pan cupcake papers. You need a food processor. You put in 2 overripe bananas, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of pure vanilla, and that all goes in here. Set your oven to 350 convection bake. The other thing that we're going to put in is 2 eggs. Now, the pictures that I posted at the beginning of the video will show that this is from the Peanut Butter Institute. The Peanut Institute, excuse me, and you can look for that as well. I'll put a link in the description. So let's add the eggs. We have added the 2 eggs. Okay, it's going to get loud here. We're going to blend it until it is blended. Start with low. Okay, we can also just blend it on a higher speed. You don't have to push that peanut butter down. Let's give it a whirl, no pun intended. We're on medium. Okay, let's take a look inside and see if we've got a good blend. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, we have taken the mixer out and scraped off all the leftover mix off the blades and everything. And now what we're going to do is rinse some blueberries. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's turn off the water. Now, in the leftover cup that you measured 1 cup of peanut butter in, you're going to put a cup of blueberries in there. Okay, what we have here is going to go into here. We have our blueberries ready to go. So with the right size spatula, you add the contents to a mixing bowl. I added more blueberries in, and I'm doing something which is called folding. I'm not beating or blending. I'm folding the blueberries into the mix. You don't crush the berries and you don't stir them. Folding is bottom to top. Bottom to top. Okay, that looks pretty good. The next step, you're going to transfer the goodies in the bowl here to the cups in the muffin pan. And the thing to be very careful is to get the same amount into each one. That allows even cooking. So a good idea is when you have your spoon and you fill it up, you scrape it off with a small spatula to get an even amount in each muffin. Okay, after using the method of one level spoon, blueberries may pop up a little bit above the level of the spoon, but you try and keep it the same in each load. Here is what it looks like. Nice even amount in each one. So we have enough left over. We can use the same method and go back and add a second layer, so to speak. So there's an example of a level spoonful right there. And here they are, all nice and level and ready to go. Okay, it's time now for this to go in the oven. And it's set at 350 convection. And we're going to cook it at 350 for 12 minutes. 12 minutes. These were not done. And I did tap the top lightly and it didn't spring back. So I'm going to have to go a little bit longer. And here they are. It took right at 17.5 minutes for these to be done. Let's take them over into the light here. Come on. Where we can see things. Oh yeah. That is looking good. Here we are at Planet Blueberry. Jeez. Now these are carbohydrate friendly, diabetes friendly in some ways. Each one only has 10 carbs in it. No flour added, no sugar added. Your sugar is going to be the blueberries and the bananas that were put in. And you're looking at a nice little treat. And the peanut butter that was added is high protein. Now these are not standing up over and bulging out of their cups like mini treats you might see. But I know these are going to taste good, and I've got a fresh cup of coffee waiting to test it out. Here is 2 of them. Coffee is ready. Now I like blueberries, and I like bananas, and I like peanut butter. And eggs are okay too. Let's see what this tastes like. Well, it's not real sweet, so there's evidence of being good for diabetics. Flavor-wise, I would say, except for the blueberries, it's pretty bland. Let's try a slug of coffee here. Well, chasing it with coffee is pretty good. But I wouldn't say this knocks anything out of the ballpark. But there you have it. That's how you make it. I hope you enjoy eating yours, should you try to do so.